So I've already got my data here, organized, cleaned, missing data removed. I go up to Addons, Excel minus it. If you don't have this tool pack yet, go to Get Addons and type it in to get it. It should appear here on the right side, and since I'm running a regression, I'm going to scroll down to the regression section, linear regression. My Y range, notice as soon as I click in there, it goes to whatever is selected. That can get annoying, but what you need to do is just go ahead and select, holding down the Shift key here. And after I have the thing selected that I want for the Y range, Y is the thing I'm predicting here. I'm going to click in. And next, I'm going to select, notice I'm selecting all the way up to row 2. I'm not including row 1. I should only include one row of headers. The other idea would be to delete out row 2 and then select up to row 1 by clicking here. So B2 through B28 is my Y range, A2 through A28 is my X range, and since I am including that row 2 in there, I want to click Labels. My output range is anything to the right of what I already have. Maybe going to avoid the frozen rows, so I'm going to put it down in D3. And then I just click OK. And that should give me my output.